Okay, testing nugget finder 12-inch evolution with a 4500 on sensitive extra. Factory default, but the front end gain is cranked full. We're going to try this with the most hardest detect bit of gold. It's 0.09, and it's just difficult to hear this one, but we can hear it. It's a little bit choppy with noise here, but we're doing what we can. So whatever that is, at the bottom of the container, it's in the bottom, so you measure it at the bottom. About there. 9 centimeters here. Stick that in the container. The other one I've got is the one, I think it's another 0.09, but it actually gives a much better signal. Roughly, what are we getting at there? 15 on that. Yeah. Show it on that. So 15 on that one. This one here is a fly speck. It's just a real speck. I don't even know if it'll hear it. We'll try it. Yep. Piss off. Bloody flies. About there. Listen. About there somewhere. Had a guess. I don't even know where it is. You have to look when I do it, because otherwise it's going to be error. Yeah. 10. Okay, well, we're right. Okay, show that one.
You want this?
Yeah, why not? Okay, that's what we were detecting just then, and we got it at 10 centimeters. That is a speck. It is smaller than any of the gold I've got in the stick. Let's try 0.05. Hang on, give me some of that spray, can you? I can't concentrate with flies in my ears and going up my nose and in my mouth. You've got it. No, you've got the keys. Oh, thanks for telling me. I didn't even know you put them there. Anyway, we'll get the key. We'll get rid of the keys. We don't want the keys here. I'll put the keys over in the container. Okay. Get rid of the iPad. That might be making noise too.
I already turned it off.
Just put all that. Put it in the. Oh, here.
Does it like the metal of it?
It likes the metal of it. What are you talking about? I don't want to spray it in my eyes. You know, but I'm just saying. Catch?
Oh.
Okay, guys. Now I've deflied, if that's a word. Okay, 0.05. How high? Tell me, because I don't want to do this all day.
10.
10.
I think you can still push that
10.
out about 12.
12. It's in the noise. I can get it at 12. We'll say 10. Let's try 0.1. Starting to get a little bit. It's a little bit of atmospheric noise. There's clouds above. We can get charged clouds that makes noise. It's just one of the things we have to put up with. What about there?
18.
18 on a 0.1. So we get a little bit of audio feedback too from the speaker to the coil. Sometimes if you get a loud audio tone, it can actually modulate the actual housing of the coil and it rings. It's one of the things that happens with detectors. If you're running too much audio, I'm running a lot of audio because I've got to get it into the microphone. So have a listen. Hear that whoople whoople sort of a sound? That's what it is. If I actually turn the volume down, even though I'll aim it over it where we are, hopefully you can still hear that. It should be a lot less. There you go. You don't get the whooper whooper sound, do you? So that is called acoustic feedback from the coil to the speaker. So if I turn the volume up again, you listen. Clean, right? Okay, that's full audio. Now listen to what happens. Woo, woo, woo. It's not a clean finish, but now I've got the audio full. I'll just see how high we can get this on the 0.1. You're going to have a look at this. About there.
17.
17. Probably. We had 18 before. What happened?
Yeah.
Someone shaved the gold off.
I think you can still go higher up with that.
You know, look, if I swing it faster, we're going to get better attack. So I'll do that and Chari can tell us where I'm hitting it.
Yeah.
There, that's it.
19.
19 on a fast attack. It's probably where I've got the settings on the swing speed. But anyway, that's the detector, how it's running in sensitive. Well, it's normal timings. We'll call it sensitive extra or whatever. We can try other modes. We'll just put it in. I'll put it straight into normal mode. We'll see how it goes. Okay, that's just normal. I should probably give it a retune, but we'll let it battle the noise. Make it hard for ourselves. Where are we? About there?
20.
20 on normal for a 0.1. So I think that's pretty good. That is pretty good indeed. I'll turn the gain right down. About there.
17.
17. I've got the gain turned about 3/4 down. So still all right. 0.05. So that's most of the gain turned down. We're still getting that above the ears. So you could use this detector in a very noisy environment. And on 0.1s, it's not really an issue. But I'm happy with that. But I think that we could improve it more. And I might take it back and just give it a little bit of a tweak. But I'm happy that... okay, everything was down here because we're actually doing the measurements. So we want the camera low. And I'll tell you what, if I sit like this for too long, right, it freaking hurts my legs. So no, I won't fart. Okay. So there you go, guys. That's a 4500. Not a 5, it's a 45. Anyway, we better show the front of the detector. Now, I'll just I had a bigger speaker in there so we could actually hear it properly, which is that speaker. But that detector, yeah, we'll say no more. We're getting massive range on that. It's just astronomical. Those other smaller bits, one of them is very difficult to pick up, but we can, and the other one's easier to pick up. But yeah, they are small gold. And if you want to show that, you can show that as well. So that's what we've been using as our test targets. I've had those for years and years, and they just stay there, and we use it as our reference. But anyway, enough said. That's the end of that. Let's pack up. Catches.